Cooking purple drink from scratch is easy. This purple drink is called Zobo drink, and I'll be showing you in this video how to make Zobo drink for commercial purposes. Yes, this is how commercially sold Zobo drinks are made. First, I'll pour my ginger into my blender, I'll add some water, and then I'll blend to a smooth paste. If you're new on this channel, welcome. If you're an ardent viewer and supporter, thank you so much for your support and your kindness. I really do appreciate you. The next thing I will do is to clean the Zobo leaves. Some people call this sorrel leaves, other people call it hibiscus leaves. I'll pour my Zobo leaves into a bowl of water. I'll get a basket just right next to me, and then I'll proceed to quickly clean the Zobo leaves. As you can see, the water is already turning purple. Yes, so this is the reason why I'm going to quickly clean the Zobo leaves. After cleaning the Zobo leaves, I'll set the Zobo leaves aside, and now it's time to cook. In this cooking part, I'll pour some water into my pot, and I'll proceed with the other ingredients for Zobo drinks, such as the blended ginger paste, some cloves, yes, and the Zobo leaves. I'll put the Zobo leaves into the pot, and then I'll mix all of this very well. After mixing everything very well, all I need to do is I'll simply cover this pot and allow it to cook on high heat for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let me show you what my pot of purple drink looks like. So this is the purple drink right now, but I am not done yet. I'm still going to be showing you the best flavor for Zobo drink. Yes, so after doing this, the next thing I will do is to sieve out the Zobo leaves. I need to separate the Zobo drink from the Zobo leaves, and then I'll also explain to you one cooking hack for commercially sold and produced Zobo drinks. Now, after sieving the Zobo drink, I'm going to set the drink aside and let it cool down. As I continue with this video, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very, very much. I had to get a different bowl because that bowl was not, big enough to contain all the Zobo drink that I just cooked. Zobo drink has many uses. You can actually use Zobo drink for weight loss. You can use Zobo drink for weight gain. Yes, you heard me right. Now, if you are looking for a recipe on how to prepare Zobo drink for weight loss, I would leave the link to that video in my description box. I'll proceed to cook those leaves of Zobo again with 1/4 of the same amount of water I used earlier. I have cooked this for about 20 minutes now, and I'm draining it again. So this is one major secret to making commercially sold Zobo drinks. The leaves are recooked and recooked and recooked several times to get all that purple color out of the leaves. Now, for one batch of the Zobo drink, I'll pour sugar. And then for the next batch, I'll show you the best flavor for Zobo drink. Yes, well, the best flavor that Zobo drink sellers will always claim is their go-to flavor whenever they're making commercially sold Zobo drink. Anyway, I'll push this Zobo drink with sugar aside, and let me show you another pot of Zobo drink. And in this pot of Zobo drink, this right here is the best flavor for Zobo drink. Many Zobo drink producers always say pineapple flavor is the best. Well, I guess it's because it saves them the cost of, using fresh pineapples. It saves them the cost of having to preserve the Zobo drink when you use fresh pineapples, because when you use fresh pineapples, your Zobo drink may go bad easily. Simply pour the flavor into the Zobo drink like I did and mix very well, and that is it. Your Zobo drink is ready. Now take a look. This one here, I have just sugar in it and it is sweet, but you see this other one, I have pineapple flavoring in it, and that pineapple flavor makes it have this pineapple taste. It also gives it a sweet taste as well. So yeah, you can see why Zobo sellers would always prefer using the flavoring to the sugar. Okay, now after making the Zobo, it's time to put them in bottles to be stored. As I continue with this video, I'd like to answer one question, and that question is, does Zobo drink cause miscarriage? Well, the information is quite popular, but many people are still a little bit confused about this. So the truth is, Zobo drink helps to lower blood pressure. For some people, that may be a good thing. But for other people, especially pregnant people, that may not really be ideal unless you consult your doctor. Also, hibiscus leaves, Zobo drink, hibiscus tea causes uterine contractions, and you may want to stay clear of things like that. So I would suggest that you keep off Zobo drink entirely if you are pregnant. Anyway, this is what my purple drink looks like. It's delicious, it's nice, and I'm going to be drinking this. Before I leave, I'd like to say thank you so much for watching my video to this point. Remember, good food should be enjoyed always.